Kinong shnong jong ka Jhalupara kilayo banbat ya Arngut ki Snar Tuh Ksiar bat Pisa kibasa hakawe ke Ïing Wai jong u akhil amet kabadan Jhalupara. Hadin balayo bat ki pat ba kila pentip no syaki Pulit hakabaki Pulit kila hiar bran syaka Ïing Sah jong kite ki Arngut banto ken. Leit Khynra ba kite ki Arngut kidan jing temu bantu iki juti nakawe ke Ïing ha Oxford. Hadai kila lap banda ushabi Ïing bat kilayo bandrung hakan ke Ïing bat rak sendon. Yaki Ksiar bat kumba 1,000 AA ke Pisa bat om tangkata kila yok ru bantu hadu lai jaka hakin iki sngi ki baladap. Deling ba ke CCTV lalap yakin iki Arngut ki bara ya kapla jong ka traying badan ki Ksiar bat ke Pisa. Bat de hadin ke jing up shrip la yok ban kem no yaki bat la IT no syaki Pulit ke Oxford Rilebong Police Station. Ki basa marjan hakatika Ïing ki layat hu baman kapor ki julap yaki brio ki bale yaki kam sniu haphalau jong katika Ïing Sah. Dakaba inject drug habashiat habashai bat kiwe kijing adi pen buat.
This is the door. This is the door inside we are living, and this shed we have made.
This temporary because we cannot just open it.
This shed we have made
If we don't keep this one, the people coming and taking drugs here
here.
outside our house.
मजबूरी से हम लोग ये शेड बना के
Then we covered it temporarily like
प्रोटेक्शन
this.
के लिए.
Just to,
And in the evening time, in the darkness, they used to sit here in this corridor area, taking injection, sleeping pills.
they are smoking marijuana here. They are drinking and they will throw the bottle here only. They'll break the bottle here only and they'll go away.
And when we do complain to the this building owner, he gives reply. You also hold them.
You hold them responsible. He's saying that you hold them. How will you hold? At least 200 and 300 people are staying in this building, in 3 floors. Many times. Sometimes they run away. They just run away. They get prior information and they just run away from here. And then the police comes or somebody else comes. And sometimes they arrest them and then evening you see they will be back. They stay here. In this building, I cannot say how many in one house, but total in this building, I think there are more than 250, 300 people are staying in this building. At least 200 and 300 people are staying. If you come in the night time, evening after 6 o'clock, you will not be able to walk in the stairs. There are boys sitting and they are taking drugs openly in the stairs. In the stairs, they are taking drugs.
Inject openly, sitting there in the stairs.
In the stairs, and then you have to work
Side by side.
Side by side, you have to work. Yes, we have complained
Because
so many
with the
times.
addicted person, you can't do the debate. You can't scold them. You can't do debate with them on the spot. Na? What are their mindset? How will they react with your scolding?
My name is Rashid.
You stay here, no?
Yeah, I stay. This next building is my house, and then he is also a neighbor. This guy is also a neighbor, and there are around 10 to 12 families.
मजबूरी से हम लोग ये शेड बनाया है.
You can see.
It's happened in
During
your
the night,
yeah.
it was around afternoon 2 to 3 that time because me and my husband we were at home. So we just checked on the footage, the CCTV camera footage. So we got just a gist of timing that it's from 2 to 3. Not exactly, but we cannot tell you that exactly. But he took the doors and the money cash we had in our house. They break all the lockers. So we had the cupboards, the wooden cupboards. They lock it and they took everything from there. So we caught them because they kept the black 2 umbrellas at our place. So with that identification, we just got a clue everything, and we got one more CCTV footage when they were going down. So they had my vanity case, pink color vanity case. So we could recognize that those are the 1 3. to car. Two of them. Yes, two of them. My good name is Meghna Biswa.
You stay in next spot.
Oxford do not compound lane 1.